Today we are making grapefruit juice. Wash hands. What I use: 1 cutting board, 1 sharp knife, juicer, 1 glass. What I need: 1 large grapefruit. Let's start cooking. Place grapefruit on cutting board. Cut grapefruit in half with knife. All cut. Place grapefruit on juicer. Press grapefruit down and squeeze. Turn grapefruit. Press grapefruit down and squeeze until all squeezed. Repeat. Press and squeeze second grapefruit. Until all squeezed. Throw peels in compost. Remove lid. Throw pulp in compost. Lift container. Pour juice in glass. Drink and enjoy.